Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You're listening to Financial Survival, sponsored by Discount Gold and Silver Trading. I'm Melody Cedarstrom, and today is Wednesday, March 11th, 2009, and lots of things are going on. And again, thank you for joining us today. 800-375-4188. For your gold and silver coin needs, give us a call. We got some great prices, great selection of coins, and gold bullion coins, hey, 3 to 4 weeks out for delivery. So be careful out there when you're out there buying. Make sure you just pick up the phone and dial 800-375-4188 and dial and buy from Discount Gold and Silver. Our website, discountgoldandsilvertrading.net, discountgoldandsilvertrading.net. And questions for the program is discountgoldandsilver@yahoo.com. That is discountgoldandsilver@yahoo.com. And, hey, we got back over 900 again today. We're looking up 890 at 907.20. We have silver up 18 today at 1280. We have platinum up 2 at 104.9, and we have palladium up, I should say, at 201, down a buck at 201. And so a good day for gold and silver, and very good day for coins. Are back up. They hardly fell at all, but with the move in gold today up a little over $8, we're seeing $15 and $20 increases on the coins across the realm of the Mint State coins from 61 up through and including Mint State 65. We also had the only coin that actually went up when gold was going down was the Mint State 63, $20 Liberty. So a good buy still for all of them. In fact, that coin went up $20 today with an $8 move in gold. 800-375-4188. And today is one of your favorite days. We have Robert Chapman joining us from the International Forecaster, editor and publisher. Good afternoon, Bob.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
Gold is up 11.60 and silver is up 25 cents in the April contact month. What'd you say?
It's moving in the aftermarket.
It is. And we've got, I'll have a figure at the halftime, but Agnico Eagle's up over $3. And, you know, you people, when gold goes up and down, the only thing that you pay any attention to is buying more. We got a 10% correction in bullion. The prices on the shares and the numismatics and the bullion coins came down. If you got money, you buy. If you don't, you keep your mouth shut and watch. This is very volatile markets. They're being influenced by people who are criminals. So just hang on. Take advantage of lower prices. And it looks like we're headed back up because that's what stocks are telling us, and they usually run ahead accompanied by numismatic coins. And so you're seeing it in both theaters. So we're going to get another shot at 950 to 945 here. And, maybe it won't break out and go to 1,000 again. Maybe it'll go back and fill again. Who cares? It's going up. Now, yesterday, the market went up almost 400 points because this creature who was running a male whorehouse out of his apartment, Barney Frank, he happens to be a member of Congress from the Boston area, said that we were going to see a reinstitution of the uptick rule. The uptick rule is when someone is going to short a stock, the stock has to go higher before they can hit it, sell it. And, of course, all the professionals get around that, and I'm not going to go into detail how they do that, but it does tend to stabilize the market. And there's no guarantee. We've been told since last September that they were going to reinstitute that, and they haven't done it. So I look at it very skeptically, considering what's happened in the past, especially the source. Secondly, we had a leaked memo from Citigroup that said they had made more money in the first 2 months of the first quarter than they had since 2007. Well, let me tell you something. What they did in releasing that memo was to violate SEC rules for fraud. This is blatant fraud in order to get their stock up, which was selling for $1. Now it's $1.65 or something like that. Big deal. But the point is they manipulated the market. Where is the SEC? I don't know, hiding in the cellar someplace. Then today, the market was about to go down about 100 points on the day, and we got another announcement from the president of J.P. Morgan. And it said if everybody plays ball, then this whole problem would be over by the end of the year. Well, I get news for you, Jamie Dimon. A year ago, you said, well, actually it's a year and a month ago, you said that the crisis would be over by May or June. So your forecasting stinks. And you're a liar, too. And, you know, this goes on. And now you know why the market did what it did. Tomorrow, it's a good chance it'll be down. Unless they come up with a bogus announcement again. Because that's all this is. This is fraud. And the SEC is part of it. And our government is generating it. And Wall Street controls our government, along with the banks. This is the situation that we're in. They tried like heck to knock gold down today, early this morning. Coming out of the box, it was okay. It came out of plus 580 at around 4 o'clock in the morning. And it popped up to about 8 plus. And then it went down and wandered around. And how much was it up the most on the day, intraday?
Oh, intraday, let's see. I think it was just like about $12. We had a high of $9.14.
Well, we're up 11.40 right now, and silver's 16. Up 24.
Yeah.
And that tells me it's going back up to meet that high on the day, which is a plus 12.
Yeah.
And it was an okay day. The coins, the numismatic coins, particularly, and the better quality gold shares are telling us that the gold wants to go higher here. And they did that before, and gold did go higher. And it went up to 945, and the reason it went back down again to 900 is our government stepped into the market and leased gold to J.P. Morgan Chase, which in turn sold it into the market and drove it down. And obviously they're through selling, and now it's moving back up again. I mean, this is the kind of government you've got. It's disgusting. But anyway, we're going to beat them. But I just wanted to let you know what's going on out there, and that's why a lot of you listen, to get the inside skinny and what's really going on. The interest rates, LIBOR is up to 0.56 from a low of around 0.36. That's significant. That's the 1-month LIBOR. London Interbank Lending Rate, the rate at which banks lend to one another. And the outside is 131, 132. We had a big auction today of 10 years, and I couldn't get the details. All the stuff that came through was nothing but garbage. I mean, you know, some of these people who write for the news services, they got to send them back to school. You know, it's not the grammar and all that stuff. It's the cohesion of what they've got to say. They're like a bunch of scatterbrains. Anyway, the stuff I saw I couldn't even pick up, and I'll pick it up later, probably when the Japanese start reporting here in a few hours. But anyway, it was a big bond offering. We got a 10-year at 289. That's up 1 basis point today. And so interest rates are moving a little bit higher. They're not going to fly away because our government's in there trying to drive them down so they can get more people to refinance their homes, and also to get more new buyers into the market. And so I think that covers the, I think, important things. I had about a 40-page international forecast this morning, and I'm using more links. And the reason why is there's a lot of other very, very good writers out there. And